It has been a while since I recorded an Ipsy bag haul, and I apologize for that. But I have my November bag, so let's see what's inside. All right, so first thing I notice is this bag, super cute. I'm not too big into animal prints, but if you are, here's what we got. And on the front side, it has a nice orange. Let's go ahead and open the bag up. Here is what we've got. Everything is packaged nicely. So we've got bubble wrapping on some of our items to protect them. All right, so there's 5 products in the bag. It says Shop Black Friday with Ipsy. It's time to get a head start on your holiday shopping. The first thing we have is the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara. This is a deluxe sample, and the full size is $27. It says, made with tiny volumizing fibers, this high-impact mascara draws your lashes up and out, creating extreme thickness and length of few coats. I have been wanting to try this, so I'm very, very excited. Look at this before and after. Like, seriously? If that's what it looks like, count me in. But I have a feeling that's just good old false advertisement. The next item we have is this Kinship Super Mellow Hydrating Gel Cream. And this is a deluxe sample. The full size version is $26. It says this fluffy gel moisturizer is filled with skin soothers and redness reducers like anti-inflammatory marshmallow root, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and amino acid rich coconut water for a cooled and calmed complexion with a radiant finish. This kind of reminds me of the, NYX Marshmallow Primer. I wonder if it's going to be similar to that, except this is more of a gel, not so much a primer. It doesn't smell like marshmallow or anything like that. In fact, I would say it doesn't have a scent at all, which is nice, and it feels very soothing on the skin. I have tried another product from Kinship from my Ipsy bag. In fact, it was the under eye cream, and I've really enjoyed it. It's supposed to be a brightener cream, and I haven't really noticed a difference with that, but as a cream itself, it feels very hydrating on my under eyes, and for that reason alone, I love it. The next item we have looks like eyeshadow. Oh, it's very pretty. This eyeshadow is by PYT Beauty, and this is the Upcycle eyeshadow palette in Party in the Nude, and this is a deluxe sample. The full-size version of this is $34. It says this palette is the life of the party thanks to the 12 super saturated and ultra blendable shades, ranging from neutral to vibrant. Plus, the matte and shimmer finishes make it so easy to create endless looks for day and night and on all skin tones. I do like that. So I guess this is just 4 of the shades that are in the palette, which is awesome. I'm really excited to try this. And I love the fact that they didn't just do shimmers, they included some mattes. Here are some swatches of the shades. They seem very pretty. I love that shimmer right here. The next thing we have is a lip scrub. I'm assuming it's called Kinder Beauty. And the full size, oh, this is a full size, and it is $20. It says, say goodbye to dry, chapped, and peeling lips with this gentle exfoliating lip scrub. You'll be left with pillowy soft lips that make even the driest matte lipsticks look velvety smooth. Definitely in need of this right now because with winter starting here, we are starting to drop into the 50s and 40s, and I think we're supposed to have a freeze tomorrow night. I have the heater on, and it's drying out my lips already. So I could really use a lip scrub. Let's see what this lip scrub smells like. I'm not really getting a smell, but it does feel like it's going to be exfoliating, so I'm excited to try that. The last thing we have is this Nanette Lepore Fiercely Fragrance. That sounds very interesting. So let's, cute. It is a plastic perfume bottle. Oh my gosh. Oh, I really like that smell. That is That is amazing. This is a deluxe sample, and it is the full-size version of this is $90. It says light yet rich, smooth yet crisp. It awakens your senses with every spritz thanks to a refreshing blend of lemon, rose petals, jasmine, violet leaves, and blonde woods. All right, that right there is why I like it. I love anything jasmine, and I smell jasmine. So this smells heavenly. It does say, for a tip, apply a moisturizer or petroleum jelly to your pressure points before spraying on this fragrance so that the scent will last longer. I've never heard of that tip, and that's awesome. I really want to give that a shot and see if that works. And if it does, amazing. Really like this perfume. I'm interested to see what my husband says of it because, I don't know, I just really like to see what he says. But it kind of reminds me of one of the perfumes he's purchased me in the past, and I cannot think of which one it is. This was definitely one of my favorite bags so far. I am very excited about every single one of these products. I can't wait to use the lip scrub because, like I said, my lips are already, feeling a little rough, so definitely using that. The perfume I'm already in love with. I'm putting this on as like my everyday perfume. So that was everything inside my Ipsy bag for this month. Let me know what you think down below. If you got this bag, tell me down below what was your favorite product inside the bag. And if you did not and you just saw my haul, please let me know what you think is the best one. I hope you guys have a lovely week wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye.